Hey, it's John from 9142 Props and Armory. Joined by my little guy here. And who are you?
Henry.
Henry. What are we going to do today, Henry?
Make fake blood.
What are we going to do?
Make fake blood.
We're going to make fake blood. So we're going to make fake blood
Out of edible stuff.
using edible things that we bought at the grocery store today. So we're going to use
Cornstarch.
cornstarch,
Syrup.
corn syrup,
And food coloring.
and food coloring, and a little bit of water too.
Yeah, a little bit. Not so much.
Alright, so should we do this?
Yeah, let's do
Alright, let's do this. Let's make some edible...
fake blood.
Okay, Henry, so we have our cornstarch, corn syrup, and our food coloring. What else do we need? What's in there?
Water.
We need some water. So we need 1/3 of a cup of water, and we
And
need some spoons to measure.
yeah, and a whisk and a skeleton for to mix it.
And of course, if you're going to make fake blood, you need a skeleton hand
Yeah.
to mix it all up, right?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so we got everything. Alright, so first,
Water.
alright, we're going to pour the warm water in there. Okay, then we got to do
Just some corn.
5 tablespoons of this. Alright, so I think we should mix it up a little bit first. So why don't you mix that up?
Slow or fast?
Just mix it. What do we need next?
Cornstarch syrup.
Corn syrup. So we need 2/3 of a cup of corn syrup. Pour it all out in there. Oh man.
It looks like fake blood already. I'm just kidding, it doesn't.
Okay, Henry, so we got the corn starch, the water, and the corn syrup in there. What's next?
Food coloring.
Food coloring.
But
So you need anywhere from 3, don't squeeze it too hard, 3 to 5 teaspoons for this much, as far as the red goes.
oh, it already looks like fake blood. It's like fake blood already. It looks black inside. Oh, it looks like so like fake blood. Is it? I think this is fake.
Alright, so what's a trick we learned about making fake blood? How do we make it look more like blood? Add a little bit of blue. Just a little bit. Not much.
Yeah, like 2. 1, 2.
Perfect.
Now mix it up.
Okay, mix it up.
It will probably. Oh man, I feel like we're ruining it.
No, you didn't. Look at that. Now, look at that.
Oh, it's so cool, dude. Oh god, it looks so. Oh, it looks like real blood. Okay, add a little more of that in, and I'll mix it. Now I'll mix it. It looks pretty cool now, and it smells good. It smells like cookie dough batter.
It smells like cookie dough batter.
Oh, it smells so good. I know, it smells like what's on my nose. That's what it smells like right now. Okay, it looks so creepy.
It does look creepy.
Yeah, it looks like real blood.
So what do you think, Henry?
Cool.
Pretty good fake blood?
Yeah, pretty good. But definitely it looks like real life blood from my nose. Okay, now we have to taste this. I'm just gonna taste it.
Oh, we're gonna taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I'm scared, yo.
You're scared?
Yeah, I'm pretty scared. I'm probably might taste bad.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh god, I'm just so scared. That's actually good.
That is? Let me try.
That's what Bob just does in his video. People with addicts.
Henry, is there something wrong with me?
What? No. It's just the fake blood that we made. So we made fake blood and it's really creepy. See that? It looks like real blood. Yeah.
Alright, so Henry, we made fake blood. And it's edible.
Yeah, it's really.
So it's perfect for Halloween costumes for
Yeah.
kids if they're going to be a vampire or something like that, or maybe a zombie, because they can have this and have it in their mouth and have it on them, and it's not going to be bad for them. And how much did this cost us to make that? To make that fake blood? Maybe $1 or $2.
It was probably like 82 cents.
It was like 82 cents. So Henry says it was like 82 cents. I say $1 or $2. But fake blood was made with stuff from the kitchen that you could buy at the grocery store.
Yeah, I just
Perfect
do.
for Halloween for your decorating.
Yeah, I just do it because it was like pretty fun, and you gotta buy 2 of these because it looks so creepy right now. Looks so.
All right. Well, if you want to make your kid happy and have them have a fun project, like Henry wanted to do today, we did. Go ahead and make yourself some fake blood. Be a great decoration around your house for Halloween.
Yeah.
Something fun to play with. But remember, kids, if you're going to do this, make sure your mom and dad say it's okay first. And they help you so you don't make a big mess.
Yeah, because you don't want to get like food coloring all over the place.
That's right. Food coloring all over the place. Very, very bad. All right, so it's John.
For 9 more.
Yes, good job.
I think
And who?
yes, yeah.
And Henry today. Made some fake blood. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to see more stuff like this, we're going to be doing some more stuff because Halloween's coming up soon. We're going to build some more decorations out for our yard and some other fun things as well, getting ready for Halloween and costumes and all that good stuff. So it's John and Henry saying
Bye. I'm still missing it.
wait for the bloody